addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions, and it also involves different kind of denominators. So we addition, I'm writing over here addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. The main key point that we are studying today is the denominator, because we now play with denominator. For example, you must understand how can we make the same denominator and how can we take the LCM of the denominator. Okay, so in last class I will start this key concept from the last class. For example, if I say I have in denominator 1 upon 2a, then 3 upon 5a. So what is our LCM? How can we make the same denominator? Yes, please, your contribution is required. Please, students, hurry up. How can we make the
Sir,
same?
sir, can I
Yes,
tell?
yes, sure.
Sir, we have to first find the lowest common factor in both of the lowest common factor in both of the numbers table.
Okay, very good. But I'm asking directly, how can we do this? Because A and A both are same, so we don't need to change A. Okay,
Sir, we
but
have
the
to
problem is
multiply 2 by 5.
very good. It can be multiplied by 5, and this can be multiplied by 2.
2.
So now our LCM would be 10A. Okay, and this will be multiplied by 5, and this would be multiplied by 2. So I would write over here 5 plus 6. The answer will be 11 upon 10A. This is that we discussed yesterday. Okay, this is what we discussed yesterday. Okay, now one more important thing. When denominators, but the thing is that how can now sometimes brackets are coming in denominator. So how can we do that? Look at this. 1 upon x plus 1 plus 3 upon x minus 1. So students, we have to make same denominator. The main thing is keep in your mind, logical mind, creative mind, okay, uh, innovative mind. Create, develop your thinking. How can we make same denominator? We can make same denominator by multiplying this denominator by x minus 1, because they are different, and this bracket will be multiplied by x plus 1. Now the denominators are same. So what is our LCM? What is our LCM? What is our LCM? X plus 1 and x minus 1. I have written x minus 1 over here. So this will be multiplied by x minus 1, and this will be multiplied by x plus 1. I hope you are writing in your notebooks these key points. Students, these are key points that I'm discussing to cover this exercise. These are the key points. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, student, now tell me, what is LCM now? X minus 1 multiplied by 1. So what will be the answer over here? X minus 1. Then plus sign. Be careful, this is plus 3. Plus 3 we multiply by 4, and then 12. Plus 3 we multiply by plus 1. So it will be plus 3. Okay. Now x minus, okay, minus 1 plus 12 plus 11, plus 11 plus 3 plus 14, and then x plus 1, x minus 1. This is our final answer. Is there any confusion? This was the second part of when two brackets in denominator are different. So we will make same denominator, and that same denominator will become our LCM. Yes, Sadullah, I hope you are getting the idea. Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
how x
yes.
Sir,
Hello.
how x 14 will come?
Hmm? How?
Sir, how x plus 14 will come?
Beta -1 plus 12. How much? Plus 11. This will become plus 11 and then plus
Sir, the question you just did it is sir from exercise
much?
for from exercise 6B question number 2 no?
Yes. Okay. The last key point of this exercise. Again, I keep writing key points. You also write in your notebook key points. Okay. Another key point for this exercise is an example. For example, I write 2 upon, please be careful, a square minus b square plus a plus b. Okay, now this key point tells us in fraction in denominator we are getting a square minus b square. We know that what is the formula of a square and minus b square. Please share with me right now. Hurry up. Hurry up, students.
The formula Sir, A plus B, A minus B.
Very good. A plus b
A minus
minus
B.
a minus b. So first of all, the key point is factorize denominator. Factorize denominator. This is our key point. Factorize key denominator. Are you getting my point? So I will factorize this denominator. So what will I write? 2 upon, if I want to factorize this, this is which should be with black color. So I write over here a plus b, a minus b. This is factorized, and then plus 5 upon a plus b. Now I want to make same denominator. Again, please students, write in your notebook anywhere else that we are working to make same denominator. Without making same denominator, we will not be working properly. Our answer
Sir,
will
the
not.
whole value of 5 over bracket a plus b would be multiplied by a minus b.
Yes, please check. This denominator is same, but this denominator is having less. For example, this will be multiplied by what to make same denominator?
A minus B.
Very good. A minus b. Now only this will be multiplied by a minus b. So now our LCM is. I hope you are writing with your in your notebook as well. A plus b, a minus b. Now this will remain same plus. Okay, one more thing. If I use eraser, I want to make the question negative here. Let me make the question negative here, negative sign. So be careful when negative sign is there. So student, you have to multiply -5 multiplied by 5a. So it will be negative 5a. This is very important. 5 will be multiplied by minus b. So beta, what will be the answer? Yes, plus minus minus plus. Okay. No simplification because this cannot be further simplified. So this is our answer. So we are studying about the key
Sir, your
points. Look
voice
at.
is breaking.
Okay,
Sir, one
wait.
minute, can you stay in this position so that I can just write down the key points?
Yes, yes, you start writing key point. Look at this. I first key point I have written that you have to make same denominator by multiplying because two different bracket. Because look at this when two different brackets. So you multiply them. Two different brackets. or two different brackets or expressions. Expression, two different brackets or expressions, right? So you will multiply these together. Second thing, key point, in denominators, you have to factorize identity. So look at this, I first factorize identity, then I make same denominator. Okay, are you getting my point? Now the very important point, how to make same denominator. Let me give you one example over here. Hope you are right. Hope you have written all. Yes, student. Hope you have written.
Sir, 1 minute, wait. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. One more key point I'm going to write here. You start writing, so let me write again key point here. So there are many key points related to this exercise. Key point. How can we make same denominator? I just take this hint. Now be careful. Take this hint. That is, if I have x minus y, and somewhere I have y minus x. So these are not same. I want to make them same denominator. So what will I do? I have given you example x minus y is equal to minus y minus x. Look at this, x minus y is equal to, if you take minus common, so y minus x. Be careful, this is equal to this one. X minus y is equal to -1. Okay? Or if I want to make y minus x is equal to minus, okay? So you can write x minus y. These are two important points. If you take, you
Sir,
have,
why minus is outside?
better,
Sir,
this is identity. Hello, this is identity. This is identity. Why this is identity? Look at this. X minus y. So you can change the sign inside the bracket, but write minus outside the bracket. If you multiply with minus sign, this will come minus y plus x. So by writing negative sign outside, you can change the sign inside the bracket. Are you getting it? Are you getting?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
student.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the similar way, this question is in exercise. Now the question number. Okay, student. Now this is question number 3. Okay. In question number 3, it is written b minus a and a minus b. So we will apply this identity. Let me do from the book the question from the book so that you can have confidence. Because the previous all these concepts belong to question number 2. By doing question number, by doing these concepts, you will be able to do question number 2. And by now, question number 3, key points, these will be followed. Let me do for you one question, that is 3a part. Okay, student. Let me write one more thing here so that those who are watching my video on YouTube, you can have the idea. Let me write the name of the book and page and question number. Yes, what is the page number? Page. Yes, what is the page number of this exercise 6b?
Page number 170.
Page 170. Okay, student, by doing this one question, you will be able to do three part. After this question, you will be given 10 to 15 minutes to do question number one, question number two, and three in the class. The question, question three, part A. Look at this. What is written? 5 upon. Can anybody?
Sir, 5 upon 2 bracket A minus B bracket close plus 4 upon 3 bracket B minus A bracket.
3b minus a. Okay, now this is a minus b. You can see this is a minus b, and this is b minus a. So how can we make it b a minus b? Can anybody tell me now? This will remain same. Keep
Sir,
writing. You. Yes. What can I do? I will take
sir,
minus out.
we'll take minus out, and then it
Minus
would be
out.
plus.
Very good. When I take minus outside, the inside the bracket signs will be changed. So minus plus minus. This please pay attention. I put the star over here. Look at this. I'm giving you star here. Why star? Because this plus minus minus. ये plus minus minus हो जाएगा. Okay, and what about this one? 4 upon. Can I write now a minus b? Can I write now a minus b? Mute your mic. Rest of the students, please mute your mic. Okay, by making the denominator same, what should I do? Students, your input is required now. Hurry up. All students, please. By making same denominator, what should I do now?
Sir, now we have to multiply 3 by A minus B and multiply 2 by A minus B.
2 over here. Okay, very good. Now, what is the LCM? What is the LCM? 2, 3,
Sir,
6.
6a minus b.
Yes. Now, denominators are same. When denominators are same, so this same denominators will be the same LCM. Okay, 5 3 times. Students, 5 3 times.
Sir, 5 3 times 15.
2 times. Okay. 15 minus 8. What is the final answer? 15 minus 8, 7. 7 upon 6.
A minus b.
Now this cannot be further simplified. So this is our final answer. Minus b. So it will become like question number 1. When I take common negative and make the same denominator, so then it will automatically become question number 1. So don't worry about it. Okay. So the uh, is done, and almost the same things are there. Okay. Uh, in the same way, the rest of the parts are there. Let me do one more thing for you. That is part H, 3 part H. So you will be able to do the rest of the previous part. Then all two types of question, 3 types of problem will be resolved. Okay. Now 3, please be careful. And after that you will be able to do question number 4 by yourself. Only one question I will teach, and rest of the question you will be able to do. So now I'm going to teach 3H, and then exercise 4E, and then my lesson will be explanation will be over, and I will be observing all of you to do all the questions over here. Okay, Sadullah Bhatt, are
Sir,
you
we have to
listening
do
to
question number 4 also.
me? Yes. Sadullah Bhatt, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Sadullah, but I have given permission to my students to do online editing. Can you write something on the board? Use your mouse to write something. Let me see. Because I have given the permission student to write something. Please.
Sir, I think there was a link over here which you had to give to us. Sir, when you give that link, then only we can join and then write here.
Okay,
Yes,
Sadullah.
this link. Sir,
So
you
wait.
can paste it in the chat box.
Okay, Sadullah, but okay, Sadullah, but I'm pasting it over here. Kindly join.
Yes, sir.
Please, rest of you mute your mic, please. All students, please mute your mic. Sadullah, but come online and write something over here. I want to see that how can one of the student I want over here to explain on the board with me in participation in class activity.
Sir, it's saying to sign up.
So please sign in with your Google name. Do you have Google account?
Yes, sir.
So you come with Google account, put your password and login in. Hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Till that time, students, let me write question number 4. As I told you that question number 4, uh, I'm doing I'm doing 3H now and then 4. So Sadullah Bhatt will be joining us to write something over here. Okay. And you will be writing over here. Okay. Oh, Sadullah, welcome here. Sadullah, but can you write question number 3 part H? Can you write 3 part H right now with red pen? Yes, Sadullah. Yes, right over here, please. Right over here.
Yes, sir. Miss, sir, just a second.
Yes, please write. Yes, Sadullah, I'm waiting for you. Let me write question and then Sadullah will take one step for this. Upon 4y minus 2z minus 2x upon z minus, this is z. Please pay attention, this is z. This is z minus 2y. This is also 2, please. Let me make 2 like this. 2y plus. Sadullah, are you there? 5y.
Yes, sir.
Acha, you are there, so I will be asking you, then you will edit something here for LCM or simplification. Okay, student, the first step is we are going to make same denominator. So what is the reason what I'm going to do now? So by making same denominator, can I told you one concept that we will, one concept that we will factorize denominator if possible. This is the old point that I have already discussed.
Yes, sir.
Factorize denominator. So dear student, how can we factorize denominator? 3x upon. Sadullah, take common. What is the common over here?
Sir, minus 2 bracket z minus 2y.
Okay, very good. You are taking negative 2 common. So it will become, Sadullah, you write in the bracket, please. Waiting for you. Take black pen, yes. 2 minus 2 z minus, very good, z minus 2y. Z minus minus take common so inside the chain. Okay, minus 2x upon z minus 2y. Okay, what is the common over here?
Sir, it would be plus 5 over 3 bracket z minus 2y.
Right? Please write. Sadullah, please write it. How can we take the common from here?
Yes, sir. Sir, written.
Very good. Now, how can we make the same denominator? Okay, one more thing, Saad. When we take common, this common, so what can I do? Look at this. This negative sign can be written over here with this to avoid any problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now how can we make the denominator same? Sadullah, you very good. Next time in my class, I will be joining with other student who will be writing with me, and hope you will be doing rest of the question by yourself. So I'm completing this four, and then you will have time 15 minutes to complete question number 3 and 4. So what? How can we make the same denominator? This is two over here one. Okay, I multiply by two, it will become six. This can be three multiplied by one, and this will be multiplied by six. Okay,
Yes, sir.
student, what is the LCM? What is the LCM now?
Sir, 6 bracket z minus 2y.
Z minus 2y. Okay, if 3 is multiplying over here, I can write 3 here. So it will become minus 9x
Minus 12x plus 10.
minus, and I will be multiplying by 6 here. That is 12x. Then I multiply by 2 here. Then that will be 10. Okay. Khizar, uh, tell me what is it? And Muhammad Hadi, please. Usman Ahmad Shamir, please, I want your participation right now. Otherwise, I will be considering you that you are not in my class.
Sir, can I tell?
Will be minus um,
Yes, student.
sir
Sir,
will
it
plus
would.
no sir 9x plus 12
अपना माइक थोड़ा सा दूर कर लीजिए प्लीज. अपना
sir
माइक थोड़ा
12
सा
will
दूर करिए.
be
जी जी मैं लिख रहा हूँ. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा माइनस. ये
minus
कितना हो जाएगा.
Sir, 21. Minus 21x.
x
minus 21x
okay,
minus 21x.
and then z minus. Is there anything that can be simplified now?
No sir.
No, sir.
No, can they, because they are adding on. We can only simplify factors, not when they are adding. Keep one thing in your mind again. 2 plus x upon 4x minus 1. If anyone do like this, 4 1 are 2 4, this will be incorrect. Do you know why this is incorrect? This is not factorized. This is not factorized. That is why we cannot cancel. Okay, students. Okay, student.
Yes, sir.
Right now, I have disabled those who have joined our me, and I will be asking Shamir. Shamir, you can edit right now because I have given you permission. So you start doing question number. Our lesson is over, student. Our lesson is over, but I would like one student, Shamir, to do question number three. Question number three, part B, over here. Yes, Shamir, this is for you, and we this video is being recorded, and this will be uploaded after 5 minutes on YouTube. You have 3 minutes to do question number three, part B. Start, Shamir. Yes, Shamir.
सर एक सेकेंड सर एक
Shamir, I have given you permission. You have 3 minutes to explain question number 3, part B, so that it can be recorded and it will be soon uploaded. Hurry up. Hurry up, Shamir. Let me write question for you. C minus 1 upon.
However, you cannot join. Sir, it's coming. You cannot join this link.
But I have given the permission now. Can edit. Refresh it. 14 minus 6C. Yes, Shamir, start working. Hurry up. Now. Yes, your pointer is visible.
Sir, I'm in mobile.
Shamir, you have to explain to the class. You have to explain to the class this video is being recorded and will also be uploaded on YouTube. So now mic is in your hand. Kindly explain each and every step to the class. Hurry up. Shamir, can you write easily on the board?
No, sir, I'm in mobile.
So write, please write it. You are unable to write.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, I have given permission to Sadullah, but Sadullah, please explain now. Start writing.
Sir, just a second.
Yes, please refresh your browser, and you will be logging again.
Sir, what do I have to do?
Better write LCM, make same denominator, explain to the class. Don't explain to me, explain to the class.
Yes, sir.
Please. Hurry up. Shamir, explain. Your voice is not coming. Shamir, oh sorry. Sadullah, please explain. Speak up. Sorry, Sadullah, but please speak up. Your voice is not coming.
Sadullah,
Hello?
what are you writing?
Sadullah, but please explain. Say something. What you are doing.
Sir, my internet is not working.
Okay, now just explain what you did so that other student will copy this. What did you do?
Sir,
Shamir, can you explain? Shamir, you explain, please. Your net is not working. So,
Sir,
yes, Shamir, what will we do after this?
sir, first we made our denominator same.
How can we make the denominator same? This is 3c minus 7 2 by multiplying by 2. It will be
By
same.
2 and multiply by 3.
And then
Multiply by 3.
nothing.
Cycle.
Multiply, nothing will be multiplied. There is already same. Next step, please. 2, 3c minus 7. Okay, student, you multiply by 2 with this bracket, so it becomes 2c minus 2 and negative 1. What is the final answer? Yes, student, final answer. Hello? Hello?
Sir, final answer will be 2c minus 3
Upon?
divided 2 bracket 3c minus 7.
Can we cancel this 2 and 2?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because 2 and c are multiplying.
Okay, students, now you have been given, now I'm giving you 10 to 15 minutes to complete question number 3 and 4 right now. And our lesson is finished. So we will see you in our fourth lesson. So kindly do this practice right now. I'm observing. Thank you very much.